Hi, this is Chris with Greenlife Coatings Company, and this is just a 4-minute demo about our marble, travertine, limestone, all the calcium-based stones and how we can protect them. That's been a problem for the ages, is those calcium-based stones with acids getting the rings around your water faucets, etching on the countertops, in the vanities as well from really any acid. Even water seems to leave a lot of staining on there. Well, what we have here is a very, very new technology and extremely strong protection for your calcium-based stones. So you can think of those white Carreras, the seagrass I believe we have here. And the big piece is a piece of limestone, but that's treated with the industry standard. Actually, the kind of the top of the line industry standard coating. You'll notice that a lot of sealants and coatings do not even protect against etching on calcium-based stones, and you'll notice on their warranties, which are very, very minimal, that they mention that right away. We wanted to show you guys the best and most difficult test we can with our product, and we figured this would be a good one. A little bit of wine and lime. That's that age-old problem that happens to leave major etching and staining on these calcium-based stones. So as you can see here, we get the wine and lime on, and it is going to stay overnight, and we figured this would be a very easy example of this. You can see how it did dry to the stone, and yeah, this is about 13 or 14 hours later. And we just want to show you how easy it is to take care of. So our clients are able to enjoy their white Carrera marble countertops and have wine and lime spill on it, and they're not going crazy to wipe it off or having restoration done. You'll notice that it's this quick. Wipe it off, no staining, no etching. This is with the white Carrera with lime and wine. And as we get over to the seagrass here, you'll notice I really try to show you the angles so that you can see that there are no problems on these stones when we're done with this test. You also will notice that with our technology, we can make all kinds of different finishes on these stones. So the best thing to do is to get a sample to us, have us come meet with you, your contractor, your designer, your architect. This technology is extremely strong, and we do use it in commercial as well as residential settings. We had a recent client where we were able to do this. Even though she had a whole bunch of kids, she was able to put in the limestone countertops in the kitchen, and she doesn't have to worry about it like she traditionally would have to worry about it. So you're noticing here that they are just cleaning up, and there is no problems. Everything is very, very strong, consistent, and it really does avoid the staining and the etching from calcium from the acids. Now when we get to the piece here that has been sealed with the more of the industry standard kind of way of taking care of things, we call it untreated because it's really not going to hold up the same way as our technology will. You'll see it's etched into the stone. This is what you see in many, many situations, and now you have to call for us to come out and do restoration. And here's some pictures of just some jobs we have. Here's a limestone kitchen. Try to give you a couple shots so you can see the finish. And the ease of maintenance on this kitchen is going to be very easy, and you're not going to have to deal with the same kind of problems that you did before. And we actually did the restoration here to get it back to normal. We have similar technology for pavers and terracotta tile and different kinds of surfaces. So we really would love to hear from you and be involved in your next project, protecting and preserving your surfaces while making it very eco-friendly to take care of. You can give us a call. We'd love to meet with you. The 800 number will be coming up right here. That 800 number is 888-583-5511.